I am Usha Pathak. Elders, please accept my respect and love to youngers. Today, I am teaching you synonyms and antonyms words. The first word is long, short, soft, hard, sweet, bitter, strong, weak, more, less, many, few, hot, cold, slow, fast, friend, foe, cruel, kind, civilized, uncivilized, courageous, timid, heavy, light, small, big, tall, short, bold, timid, kind, cruel, young, old, large, small, able, unable, wise, stupid, thin, fat, sad, happy, difficult, easy, industrious, lazy, good, bad, little, big, much, few, ill, healthy, late, hurry, old, new, far, near, come, go, true, false, excellent, bad, just, unjust, dry, wet, ugly, beauty, honest, deceive, lie, true, dirt, clean, folly, wise, heaven, hell, love, hate, fool, wise, rich, poor, clever, dull, before, later, first, last, pretty, ugly, junior, senior, liquids, solids, day, night, best, worst, in, out, superior, inferior, up, down, mighty, weak, upward, downward, upper, lower, on, off, empty, full, normal, abnormal, abhor, admire, convenient, inconvenient, dreamy, practical, limited, unlimited, permissible, banned, selfish, benevolent, pleasant, unpleasant, approbation, condemnation, expand, reduce, frightful, attractive, hot, chilly, order, chaos, superb, awful, topsy-turvy, neat, vacant, full, alone, accompanied, comic, melancholy, encourage, discourage, credit, discredit, educated, uneducated, reduce, expand, superficial, comprehensive, auspicious, inauspicious, deficiency, abundance, melancholy, delight, nervous, bold, ability, inability, back, front, backward, accept, original, copy, include, exclude, domesticated, wild, lion-hearted, chicken-hearted, perishable, durable, seldom, frequently, turmoil, calm, weak, able, appropriate, improper, foolish, clever, hostile, affable, optimistic, pessimistic, prove, disprove, thick, narrow, valor, cowardice, allow, deny, comfortable, uncomfortable, recommended, disapprove, stability, changeableness, appropriate, improper, candid, blast, distinctive, common, liberty, captivity, responsible, irresponsible, attract, disgust, often, lose. Please accept my request. Subscribe my channel, like and share.